Hi, my name is Farah Farid. I'm a civil engineering graduate. My graduation project came from 3D printing to traditional construction. كانت a study used to test the mechanical properties of earth mixture. عشان to test is it feasible enough to be used without the 3D printer to save up cost and to be used in traditional construction بدل concrete. My earth mixture consists of sand, silt and clay, and binders بتوعي كانوا cement and hydraulic lime. This mixture was tested and enhanced by its properties. It increased in strength by 35%. After testing بقى environmental impact بتاعه, it results إن هو هيسيف 16% من overall operating carbon emissions and will cut up 11% من overall material cost, assuming to save up to 40% من overall cost. That means إن إحنا ممكن نقدر نستخدمه في initiative بتاعت حياة كريمة to be used instead of concrete to save a lot of cost without using a printer.